Chances are quickly increasing for a major hurricane to strike the United States, and it is bringing a very dangerous flood threat. This system could also pull another system closer to the United States, which could bring very rough surf, very dangerous rip currents, and very life-threatening beach conditions. And another system, even though it has dissipated, the dangers of the system are still the same. I'll go over all of these systems, the forecast models, and the infrared satellite imagery in this video. It's CBS Cyclone Thursday, September 25th, 2025. First of all, my video editing website isn't working, so there won't be any edits in this video. Starting with post-tropical cyclone Gabrielle. Gabrielle currently has 70-mile-an-hour sustained winds. It dissipated earlier today, weakened to tropical storm status. It is currently forecast to re-intensify to 75 miles an hour, which is hurricane status, still being post-tropical. I don't think that's going to happen, but impacts will still be the same. Very dangerous rip currents, storm surge, rain, torrential rainfall. Tropical storm Umberto currently has 60-mile-an-hour sustained winds and is forecast to reach hurricane intensity tomorrow and then reach major hurricane intensity by Sunday. And then it is forecast to further intensify a little bit to 120 miles an hour, which is a mid-range Category 3 hurricane. I think it will further intensify into a Category 4, maybe even a Category 5. I will show you the forecast models for the system later in this video. Invest 94L currently has 30-mile-an-hour sustained winds, an 80% chance of development in the next 2 days, and a 90% chance of development in the next 7 days. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a potential tropical cyclone develop tonight or tomorrow morning. A potential tropical cyclone means that there is danger to land within the next 72 hours. It's not organized at all, but there is danger to land in the next 72 hours, and then the National Hurricane Center starts issuing watches and warnings for the system. So we should get a potential tropical cyclone pretty soon, and then we should have watches and warnings issued for the Bahamas. The infrared satellite imagery, starting off with Invest 94L. It is not looking super organized quite yet. But that it will start to get organized as we go through the day tomorrow. If anything, actually, there may be a little bit of a low-level circulation south of the DR, and this should develop. Gabrielle, the remnants of Gabrielle, post-tropical cyclone Gabrielle, whatever you want to call it. The rain has mostly passed the Azores for the most point, at least the back islands. There's still some torrential rainfall occurring on the western islands. And then, of course, very dangerous winds, rip currents, surf. So I don't recommend you go swimming. Also, what time is it there right now? It's like midnight there. So I don't know why you'd be swimming at midnight. And also, the water's cold there. The forecast models, starting with the European model. So it shows Umberto kind of stalling out over where he is right now, and then coming very close to Imelda. You can see Imelda right here over the Bahamas. Imelda, speaking of which, should develop around, say, Saturday, Sunday, and then should intensify into a hurricane before making landfall near the North and South Carolina border. And then it kind of stalls over Pinehurst. Pinehurst is a very famous golf town in North Carolina. Bryson DeChambeau won the U.S. Open there last year. The GFS model, they show this system kind of having a similar track, hitting more so South Carolina, and then this time stalling over Charlotte, which is the biggest city in North Carolina. And that could be bad if it stalls over a populated area. I am currently in Oklahoma right now, but I will be in North Carolina. I will get there on Sunday, and then it'll just so happen to be, if this system hits, it'll just so happen to be that I'm there, and then I will get footage of the system and post it on this channel if I can. So I'll be monitoring all of this for you all. Be sure to subscribe to stay safe and get updates on this system. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and see ya.